Hello. 12 p.m. Midday, noon, high noon, British Standard Time, May 13th. 7 a.m. New York, 4 a.m. San Francisco, LA, Seattle, West Coast. All right. Some dumperoonies going on, isn't it, in crypto? And I think the broader market on the Dow Jones. I haven't really been paying too much attention to stocks, but we'll take a quick look. I've got a CNBC tab here. Let's peruse together. And also got the StreamYard link. Anybody wants to hop in. Boom. Let's have a looky-loo. 365 billion wiped off cryptocurrency market after Tesla stops car purchases with Bitcoin. Yeah, man, this Elon dude, I've been saying billionaires are not your friends. Name one that's ever helped you. I'll wait. Yeah. Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that electric vehicle maker would suspend car purchases using Bitcoin. A few weeks ago, he said he would accept BTC for Tesla, citing environmental concerns. Well, Michael Saylor did the math, and it was 0.25% of wasted electricity goes into securing the Bitcoin network, and most of that electricity would have been wasted anyway because it's a lot of hydroelectric power, so it's kind of free energy anyway ish, right? Like I said, 0.25% of wasted electricity, not total electricity used in the world, goes into securing Bitcoin network. Check Michael Saylor. He did the math. I didn't do the math, but he's been shared that info on a podcast, so I'm sure he did check his numbers, right? As much as 365.85 billion was wiped off the entire cryptocurrency market, though it did pair some losses. Oh, okay. What was the low on BTC? We'll find out in a minute. Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP were all sharply lower. Here's Musk. Musk said Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. You did. You sold 325 in the first quarter after you bought 1.5, right? And intends to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to a more sustainable energy. So he's going to do his something with his solar power company, right? Or his solar farms. He's going to get into mining, right? Then he'll switch it out to Dogecoin. He launched I think a Dogecoin node in space, right? This guy, man. So, he used to get slapped on the wrist by SEC because he used to freaking manipulate his own stock, through his Twitter account. Hundreds of billions of dollars. Now he's in crypto. He's like, I can do anything I want. It's a wild west. And he's doing these things to benefit him, right? Not you. Hundreds of billions of dollars were wiped off the entire cryptocurrency market after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that electric vehicle maker would suspend car purchases using Bitcoin. At around 6 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, that was yesterday, I believe, when Musk made the announcement, the value of the whole cryptocurrency market stood around 2.43 trillion. I think it was around 2.6. According to data from CoinMarketCap.com, around 8:45, 2.5 hours later, the market cap had dropped to around 2 freaking trillion, wiping off 365 billion. The market has paired some losses since Musk's tweet. He probably bought some more Bitcoin at under 50k. The guy's he will pump shit up, but he will wreck you as well. Oh my god. He knows his influence, so he uses his influence. I mean, oh my god, is my computer freaking out? Google Chrome not responding. Oh boy. Let's see. Am I still streaming? I've got a lot of tabs open. DAP FOMO. Meanwhile, Hexon. Yes, sir. That is correct. That is correct. In February, Tesla announced in a regulatory filing that it purchased 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and planned to accept the cryptocurrency for payments. Musk cited environmental concerns on Thursday. Like I said, he's creating FUD when there is no FUD, and said Tesla is concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels. Dude, in England, it's middle of May, it's freaking freezing. Burn that coal, warm the planet up. We're entering a global solar minimum. We had the Maunder minimum in 1680 to 1720, where the River Thames used to freeze up. We're entering like some sort of mini cooling period. It's quite concerning, actually. So yeah, get your V8s. Just go around cruising. But less CO2 in the atmosphere makes the Earth even colder. So burn that CO2. Burn those fossil fuels. Why am I smarter than Musk? Unless Musk is smarter than me and doing things for his own benefit, which clearly is, right? Bitcoin is not issued by a single entity. Yeah. Okay. Musk has been a big proponent of digital currencies. Well, for years he's bashing them, and he still bashes them when it suits him for him to bash it, like he's doing right now. The Tesla CEO said the company will not be selling any Bitcoin. We did sell some. Jesus Christ, he's such a liar. And tends to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to a more sustainable energy. Guys, full of shit. Bitcoin has garnered interest in last year as companies such as Square and Tesla announced Bitcoin purchases and large institutional investors enter the cryptocurrency space. Major investment banks like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley have sought ways to allow their wealthy clients to get Bitcoin exposure. Oh boy. Let's see what's going on in US markets. Treasury yields retreat, but the 10-year holds above 1.6.8 following inflation data shock. Yeah, I'll go over like commodities as well. Slowdown in population growth is key driver lower real interest rates. Why do you want less people in the world? South Korea should continue loose monetary policy, says government think tank. Yeah, free money. My computer's really slow. What is going on my computer? Oh, geez. It's time to upgrade. Come on, baby. Here we go. Pre-markets. US markets. Well, NASDAQ down 2.6%. Is that correct? It was down 349. S&P down 84. What's the Dow? Doesn't say. So it seems like we're entering a risk-off period, right? Risk off, but how long does it last for, right? Dow 30. Do you see that coronavirus selected stocks? What's being really hurt? Yeah, Chevron's up, oil and gas. Merck. Salesforce is in the top 30. I never understood this company. It's a crap piece of software. but it's built. It's one of those anointed companies, right? But yeah, how many software companies you got in the Dow 30 now? Let's have a quick look. Got a chip maker. That's ish. Do people still use Intel chips? Yeah, I guess so. Microsoft 1, 2. It's only 2. That's amazing, isn't it? I guess they're still all on the Nasdaq. Anyway, that's enough of CNBC. Yes. Okay, now let's look at trading views together. Let's look at trading views. Share screen. Chrome tab. Hex BTC chart. Got it up. I think we hit nearly 13 cents. 13 sats, sorry. Yep. Can you see? Yes, you can. Yeah, 12.7 sats. What's the current price? I had this price projection or US dollar estimation of the Hex price in BTC quite a while back. So this is interesting. We took out the old high. And let's throw on a slow stochastic. What kind of locked-in trend have we got? We're locked in. How long does it go sideways? How long does this pump last? I don't know. Yeah, look at how long we've been locked in for. Oh boy. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, 9 days today. We get into some crazy territory. We've never done it before, right? 9 days locked in on a trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 days on the bear trend. So do we match that? Maybe. We did 12 days on the bear trend, but the price was just going sideways. It wasn't going down. We're going vertical in a locked-in trend. Wowzers. Momentum structure. Michael Wang, 66. Thank you. All-time highs on the momentum, 160. I see momentum go up to like 400-500 on some other things like GameStop and other cryptos. So who knows? Yeah, I've got too many stuff open. Oh, my computer's just freezing up. It's not warmed up yet. I'll let it catch up. Sorry about that. Let's see what Hex USD is doing right now. Looks like we're cooling off slightly, maybe. So on Uniswap, USDC, we hit 6 cents. Okay, let's see if my battery is fully plugged in. Yes. Okay. So when I made this comment, I had the Bollinger Bands up, so I'll bring it up in a minute. Let's get rid of momentum. Okay, there we go. You can see that better. Boom, boom, boom. Indicators, Bollinger Bands. I think the guy name was John Bollinger. You create this. Okay, here where are we at? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, and 7 days. Looks like we're gonna go sideways, which is great. So what do I want to see? Okay, the upper Bollinger Band is this correct? Upper Bollinger Band, is it 0? Yeah, 5.5 pennies, right? Yeah. Yes. 5.5 pennies. Come on. I guess StreamYard takes a lot of RAM. I guess this StreamYard is sucking all my computer energy. Oh gosh. Come on. Time for a new PC or Mac. I think it's going to be a mini Mac or some sort of Mac. MacBook, maybe. Come on, baby. Come on. So yeah, 5 days closing above the Bollinger Band is getting to the point where it needs to move back in the band. So yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've seen silver do 7 days before. 2.5% to the power of 7 equals 0.0000000000061 probability event. Yeah, it's not supposed to do it. You can't do it forever. So yeah, a little cooling off. Maybe a little cooling off. 1, 2, 3. Come back down here, and then they can launch again. Let the middle or the Bollinger Band come up. Let the lower Bollinger Band. Look at where the lower Bollinger Band is. You can't even see it. It's gone negative. It's gone to 0. This has been an explosive run. 0.14. 1 cent and 4 tenths. Yeah, a quadruple. More than a quadruple in 2 weeks. What more do you want, people? Don't get greedy now. But yeah, what should you do? What should you do? Should you sell before polls? That's the question. I guess it's up to you. I kind of got an idea what I'm going to be doing. Yeah. First, I need to pay for some stuff. I've got some more jewels to buy, more precious stones. I think I've got an emerald and a ruby all lined up. Just the deposit already been paid. I just need to complete the transaction, which I'll do in shortly. Yeah, so I'll have a yellow stone, a red stone, and a green stone. Lovely. Now I need to find a purple stone and an orange stone. Get some, get all the colors of the rainbow. Why not? Okay. Shall we look at Bitcoin? I guess we kind of have to. It's falling off a cliff. Or is it? So people are going to be doing head and shoulder projections. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And they're going to be shorting here. All right? They're going to be shorting here and probably going to get wrecked again. They probably longed it up here and surely down here. Oh my God, traders. It's a brutal game. It's a brutal game. 45 freaking thousand. I didn't know that. See, I was tucked up in bed. Holy moly. This is going to be a wipeout similar to April. This event. This is even larger. It was at 59,000. Freaking, eh? Unbelievable. But I think this looks more like a bottom. The larger candles indicate order books being cleaned out, right? Order book's been cleaned out. This wasn't order book cleaned out. It may have felt like it, but this is. Now you got old school bids, smart money. They're picking up on the cheap. They've already picked up on the cheap, right? Let me take a swig of coffee. Yeah, just closing down some files and stuff. Maybe that will help my poor old computer. Close. ETH down to 3,700. Wow. That's actually not too bad. ETH is not too bad in terms of the decline against Bitcoin. Bitcoin went down 15%. ETH. Let's look at ETH. 43.84 down to 1,000. Yeah, I mean it's. Let me see. Around 11%, 10%. No, was it 20%? I'm getting confused now. Bitcoin went down 25%. Ethereum went down 20%. So overperformance relative. Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, it went even down further. So I was calling, I think yesterday, a little bit prematurely that we're gonna see some sort of reaction on Bitcoin. And so I think this was the event. This was the event to bring people back into Bitcoin. So yeah, look, time for BTC to turn up. And now it's turning up, but not forever. Some sort of bounce for 2 weeks. Some sort of bounce and rocket. I still think we hit 100K sooner than people think. And this was the flush out. This was a flush out for sure, right? Before June-ish, we can go back into alts. Well, other people can. I'm all in hex pretty much, as you guys know. Is anyone in chat? Yeah, 2 people watching. Cool. Yeah, I've got a StreamYard link if anybody wants to hop in. More than welcome. So we see what destruction was done. Dot up 10%. See, alts. Are these all DeFi plays? Kusama, Synthetics. Hex is a DeFi play. Uni, still doing good. Oh, Yosh. Okay. So let's go to my pink chart. Stop screen. And I will share with you this beautiful screen. This beautiful chart. Is it 10,000? Yeah, 10,000x from all-time low. Boom. Boom. Isn't this lovely? We're almost hitting our linear price line. I think it's just a double away. Boy, sorry. This is 1 penny over here. 1 penny. 2 penny, 3 penny, a little bit of a jiggle reaction, 4 penny, 5 penny, 6 penny, 7, 8. I have a trend fib projection for 8.4 cents. It's getting there. So maybe a couple more days, or a day or two of rest and launch again. Maybe something like that. I think there's going to be some Hexagons who are traders taking profits. Maybe some Hexagons with contracts expiring, de-risking. De-risking before pulse, is that a wise move? I don't know. Yep. 10 cents, 11 cents, 12, 13. No, that's wrong. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. That is 10,000x right there. That is 10,000x right there at 29 cents. January 6th is when I started day one. When I started this chart, it was 0.000029 on the low. You can look it up on Nomics. Yeah, it's really broken out now, isn't it? Even if you draw a line here, that was the squiggle, right? Can you see it? Boom. Beautiful bowl. Beautiful bowl action. Yeah, interacted with 3 cents, 4 cents a little bit. 5 cents ripped right through. 6 cents. I think it's gonna maybe come back down to 5. It may do something, right? I don't know. It's really hard to. It's harder to play a vertical move up than it is to play this kind of action, to be honest. If you're like trying to get in and out and maximize your hex coins. I've never really traded hex, to be honest. I've picked opportune moments here and there to purchase, but not really. As soon as I get any cash or funds from selling other stuff, I just buy it. Not really trying to time it. You know, I can show you the chart where I was making just purchases. Some of them are at the tops, some of them at the bottoms. So not trying overthinking, not trying to get too cute. Just whenever you got anything available, just dumping it into the market. I was doing, and it's worked out, right? It's worked out. Just checking StreamYard. Yeah, man. Guys, got any questions? Guys, got anything you want to ask? Guys, got anything you want me to chart? Maybe you got some Litecoin or XRP or DOT you want to convert. Maybe it's a good time to get out, right? Or maybe not. How do you play this? We need more details, firm details on Pulse Chain, right? Yeah. I think they'll be forthcoming soon. We've already kind of got the general playbook, right? We've already got the general playbook. You want to get some new stakes in, right? Long stakes. You don't have to do Quattro Cinco, but maybe 11 years. Maybe get some out to like 2033, because those will be maximizing the bonus system in the share contract, and they will be duplicated. So like El Hexadente was saying, you can get 6 times the amount of shares. 6 times the amount of shares. And what may happen, Hex on Ethereum may turn to be the ultimate long-term contract play, right? Those will get untouched. Well, people on Pulse may decide to do shorter stakes, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. Maybe even start doing some trading, because it's going to be free transactions, right? I'm assuming that's what I've heard. So that may kind of evolve over time. Hex on Ethereum, you know, that's your long-term CD That's your long-term savings vehicle. While Hex Pulse could be short to medium and some long. Obviously, when you get your copied contracts over, it's gonna be a more of a blend, right? I don't know. It's gonna be interesting to see how things turn out. Okay, we're done with this chart. We're done with that chart. What can I show you now? Oh yeah, this is going to be interesting. This is going to blow some people's brains away, blow some people's minds. StreamYard, share screen, to chart 15. So this is cost of the staker class. Boom. Can you see? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Let me just check if you can hear me. Hey, Dat FOMO, are you watching? Can you hear me? Hey, Dat FOMO, are you watching? Can you hear me? Okay, I just tested it. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. All right. So here we go. When I made this chart, I wanted to get people to become squids. I think it was around $10,000. It was something ridiculous. It costs $1.1 million to become a squid now. That was why I made this chart. I wanted to get people in before this happened. It's kind of too late to be a squid now for regular people to come in like fresh. And this is without the bonuses, right? So divide this by 3 to maximize the bonus system, which most people don't, because it's going to be the average is 5.5 years, right? But max bonus is still 350 grand, 360 grand. It's kind of gone out of reach. A lowly crab is $11,000. Turtle, $113,000. A dolphin. Hey, is this correct? $11 million to be a dolphin. Nah. Oh, without the bonuses. So what? 2.8 million to be a dolphin? Is that correct? Is that correct? So I calculated this morning. I went into gohex.com, and there's 11.36 million shares, I think. Right? 11.36 million shares. Okay. Or slightly around 11.061 million shares, right? You times it by the share price of 1,000. Let's do it quickly. Let's check my maths. Let's check my spreadsheet. So 1027 per T share times 11.085, I believe. Okay, you get what? The total value of T shares is $11 billion. Is that correct? Yeah. T share price times the total number of T shares available. 1,027 times 11 million T shares equals $11.35 billion. Okay, so to be a Poseidon divided by 10 is $1.1 billion to be a Poseidon. Okay, I'm off by a factor of 10. That's what. Okay. I'll update it later. So to become a whale in Hex now, you need $113 million. To become a shark, $11.35 million. To become a dolphin, Okay, yeah, to become a dolphin, you need $1.1 million, no bonuses. Yeah, this is making sense now because I know that because I'm a dolphin. To become a squid, 113,000. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm off by a factor of 10. I can adjust that. Okay. So a turtle is $1,000. No, $10,000, $11,000, and a crab is $1,000. Okay, that makes sense. This is no bonuses. So a dolphin, you can get in about $400,000 to become a dolphin. Still, what's that? 10 Bitcoin, 8 Bitcoin. So it's achievable, still achievable to become a dolphin, but you need to be already in crypto, it seems like. Or sell your house like Motley Investor. Did he really sell his house and just plow into Hex? Maybe he caused the pump all by himself. Motley. I like that dude. Good dude. Okay. StreamYard. Okay. Now this is going to be a good chart to share. Your daily dollars. How much are your contracts earning if you have a million hex staked out? If you have a million hex staked out. StreamYard. Can you see? Yes, you can. So if you just stake a million hex for 91 days, you're going to get $20 a day. Try and get that from the bank. Staked out for a year, $22.93. So for 3 years, getting up to $30 a day. That's not bad, dude. That's almost $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month off a million hex. You will buy you 90 T shares. All right, a million hex. What's that? 55 grand. Just over 1 BTC. How much is BTC giving you? Yeah, unless you give your keys to somebody, unless you give your coins to somebody else, a middleman. Here, you do all the work. You do all the minting, right? You're in control of your money here in Hex. And let's see, like, if you stake out for 10 years, $57 a day. You want to do the math? $57 times 3,652 days. That's $208,000 in interest on your 55,000, not including any bonuses, emergency end stakes, etc. Not bad going, eh? Not bad going at all. So your million will turn into 5 million hex. What do you think the price of hex will be in 10 years? I guarantee you it's not going to be 5 cents, right? Shall we do an estimate of $5? Shall we do food? Let me see. Do I just times it by 5? $5 million. No, 5 million coins. And 5. 25 million US dollars. And that's including that's basically a stable share rate payout of, what is it right now? 5.76. So the T rate payout may actually decrease. Maybe. Not too sure. It's been stable since Big Payday. 23rd of November, the daily payout was 5.92. Today, 13th of May, is 5.77. Yes. Hex is a good place to store your wealth and grow your wealth. Okay, I think we're done with this chart. Quite glad I made it. Stop screen. Boom. So just Cruisenomics quickly. Yes, why not? Chrome tab, Nomics, share. Yes, you can see it. Global market cap 2.34 trillion. Look at this global volume, $2 trillion. A lot of hands, weak hands got shaken out. Strong hands picked it up. Cheap coins, cheap BTC, right? It looks like it. Cheap Ethereum, cheap Binance token. Is Ripple cheap ever? Ripple's always expensive. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, Nano. I mean, Nomics. Number one market cap gain is 66% is Nano. Number 2 is Curve DAO token. Oh, Hex is going. Oh, because of they use a 24-hour period. Okay, I understand. Because at some point, I'm sure Hex was up like what 20%. Maybe. Like on TradingView, Hex USD shows a 8.41%. Right. So yeah. Kusama number 3, Aave number 4, Hex number 5. Okay. It doesn't feel like it's number 5. It feels like it's number 1. Dogecoin, 20%. Wow. So what is Elon gonna do? This is a fake coin, right? Maybe, probably. Up 180 spots. Yeah. What? Maybe got new listing on. Shall we have a quick look? Maybe got a new listing on Binance. You never know. Or maybe it's just fake. Markets. Binance. Maybe they did just list it. FTX. Coinbase. Got a Coinbase listing. Maybe that's it. What the freak is this? Divinity overview. Some Silicon Valley supported VC project, maybe. Anything that gets listed on Coinbase, you always got to ask, how many coins did Brian Armstrong get pre-allocated? What is this crap? The internet computer. Okay, I'm already like suspicious. Extends the functionality of the public internet from a network that connects billions of people via TCP/IP protocols. Okay, yes, we understand what the internet is. It's all buzzwords, isn't it? There's nothing here, isn't it? Internet computer is created by a decentralized. Oh, yes, we get it. ICP. They just tacked on. They just took IP. Oh my god. And took the C from TCP. They made ICP. The internet computer completes the blockchain trinity, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and this is crazy shit. Marking the 3 major innovations in blockchain technology. These 3 decentralized networks complement one another and serve different purposes. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, smart contracts, and the internet computer, the blockchain. Oh my god. How long has this been trading? Welcome to crypto, people. Somebody got paid huge amounts of money. CZ got paid for sure. Let's see. How many circulating supply? 125 million. Where's the rest of the coins? It's not. I'm not saying that's a bad thing because Hex, the OA owns what 80-90%, which is good. He supports the stakers. That's why we get such huge daily payouts. Yeah. Okay. Enough about this crap. Stop screen. Is there anything less to share? Let's look at GraphHex.rocks, which I think they changed their website name. I believe they have changed it to apex.win/charts. So that's cleaned things up. Apex, way better than GraphX Fox. Even though I got used to saying it, now you got the .win instead of a .rocks. You got app, it's kind of an application, and it's got Hex. That's brilliant. I'm sure you must have paid a few $1,000s for that. Maybe tens of thousands, right? And I love the people behind this. I don't know who is working on it, what the team is or the guys, but you guys are doing a stellar job. So look, now they added sacrificed. So basically, those sacrificed Hex tokens will never see the light again. It's kind of like a coin burn, right? Essentially. When you give up your Hex now for Pulse tokens, you may as well just burn them. But you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't burn them. You would just hold on to them forever, and eventually you use it as some sort of collateral. Why would you burn your freaking valuable ERC20 tokens? That trend was so stupid. You know, people in crypto don't really understand economics that well. Yeah, it's true. Richard Hart does. That's why he designed a great product. Used to be a trader. He understands markets. I think maybe Wales knows more about banking, obviously, because he's on the inside. And I think maybe Richard hasn't spent time trading like futures, because even just a few months trading futures really like boosts your knowledge about how like the CME stuff and how those products work. It's really valuable. That's why I was kind of describing why people maybe should trade ES Mini before they start trading crypto futures. Right, it's one of the highest trading products in the world, right? ES Mini futures, and you'll get a break on the weekends. Friday afternoon, you can turn your computer off and just not worry about looking at the screen, right? I think that's a far healthier way to learn trading futures, rather than just jumping right into Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that kind of stuff on Binance. You're gonna get wrecked. You're gonna get wrecked at some point. Hex T-share, $1,000. So I shared on Instagram how a billion shares, 1B share is $1 now. Huge milestone. Milestone that T-share is now 1,000, but the B share now is a real thing. When M share $1, right? M share $1. That mean a T share will be what, 100,000? 100,000 US dollars. $1,000 for B share. It's still a bargain. You're getting a billion shares. I have some stupid contracts that are like literally a couple hundred billion. Man, a couple hundred billion times what? A few dollars, tens of dollars, $100. Yeah, all right. Now you're getting somewhere, right? Share rates. Is that 17 thousand. Yeah, I think it's 17,601. You have to give up 17,000 hex, 17.6 thousand hex to get 1 trillion shares. Okay. Yeah. APY 37.7. Staked US dollars 3.5 billion. 9.76 was supply, is only staked. Circulating, is it circulating? 571 billion. There's a few, maybe a couple billion on exchanges. How much is on Uniswap pool? V2. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is great info. 72 million hex only. 72 million hex. Let me do quick math. Is that $7.2 million? Wait. Let's do quick math. 72 million times, what's the price? 0.055. So we see 5.5 cents. Only $4 million of a hex available on V2. V3 is still to get started. Yeah, there's nothing on V3. 16 million. Let's do a total. Oh, wait a minute. V2F 28 million. So that's 100 million right there. 116. Oh, V3 USDC is coming up. Let's just say there's on Uniswap 120 million. Was it 118 million? 118 million, sorry. Times 5.5 cents. $2.4 million worth of hex available on Uniswap. Wow. And that's where most of the coins reside, freely circulating. There's nothing to buy, dudes. I mean, go and hit BTC. Try and get some, I guess. Swap out some BTC. At least you won't have to pay your the gas prices, right? Pick up a 50,000 here, 20,000 here. Become a scalping robot, manually scalping. Because you don't want to do a large order. You'll drive up the price against yourself, right? Wow, this is just. We're going to do 10,000x, which is 29 cents. Flipping heck. Maybe before sacrifice phase. Flipping heck. Holy moly. Holy moly. Hex USDT 6.28 cents on Uniswap. Just against Tether. All right, let's go back to trading view. Let's whip through the different pairs, hex pairs. Share screen. And I've been going for 50 minutes now. I'll do another few minutes and call it. There's no one watching. I was hoping to talk to somebody, but well. I guess you guys are still tucked up in bed in the States. But where the Aussies at? Where's Hex Mac? Just kidding. Let's see. Share screen. And then I'll hop on Twitter quickly after. StreamYard, full screen. Yep. BTC coming back. Still under 50 grand, but okay. Hex USDC. Hex USDC. I'm going to have to draw a new channel. So Hex needs to form some sort of boom. Boom? Boom? I don't know what's it going to do. Holy moly. Anything else I've ever traded, right? When you get too excited, I'm not excited. I'm glad people are getting rich in Hex, but at some point you just don't really care anymore. Hopefully everyone will be like, another update next. Yeah, so I'm kind of at that point. I just want to see other people do well, mainly. People in Hex work for years now, 2 years, promoting, sharing the knowledge, making graphs, making charts, making memes, onboarding. It's been a community effort. Richard obviously laid the foundation. He gave you the knowledge. He gave you the product, but then it's community driven, right? It sucks. There's only 30,000 people staking. I'm having battles on, well, not battles, but discussions with guys on TradingView who don't want to stake. They're like, no, I won't do it, bro. I don't care the numbers. It's like, oh man, it's fine. There's only so much. You can only lead them to water. You can't make them drink the water, right? At some point, just that's all you can do. Okay. Hex BTC, we done. Hex WEF. Hex against Ethereum. Weekly. Auto. Where we at? Coming up to here. Is that 16 grey? So this is off. So 3 cents. We kind of already hit it, right? 4 3 cents. Maybe that was around here. 19 cents when F is 5,000. How high can we go? Can we challenge the old time highs? When was the old time highs? October 26th. Sure. Start taking out these levels. And what is this channel that I kind of drew? I got a thumbs up. Get rid of the thumbs up. Delete. Daily. Auto. Why did I draw these channels? Well, that one's obvious, but needs. Let's see on the bar chart. There we go. Better. Oh, geez, TradingView, you're killing me. Maybe that is a better angle. Yeah, let's do that. That is really nice. Maybe something like that. Ignore the little spike up. Top. Okay, and now get this bottom. And let's get rid of that. Where's my other point? There we go. Oh shit. Kind of. So you got this channel now. We can get in this channel. Yeah. Got some trend lines forming, right? Get rid of this, clean this up. We moved away from that. And let's get rid of this. It's annoying me. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. We kind of don't need this, but let's keep it on the side. I can use it for something else. Delete. Okay. So you got your horizontal resistances, but I think more important is these channels that we are forming. So we've got another one here. Trend line. Come on, TradingView, please help me. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Let's look at that. Ooh, crapiola. Tapioca, crapiola. All right, it's fit. Good enough for our purposes. We're not professionals over here. Rank amateurs. I am a rank amateur. Who's professional? Everyone's faking it. Most people not making it. Right? Doesn't matter if you've got a fancy Dan degree or certified financial analyst or whatever. Everyone's just faking it. No one's a professional. There's either skilled persons or not skilled persons, right? Either you're good at doing something or you're not, right? It's pretty simple in my eyes. Are you good at what you do? Most professionals are just dialing it in, waiting for the weekend, right? And I don't like these dotted lines. Maybe do a dash line. Maybe do one. There we go. That's better. Let's do dash lines going horizontally. Yeah, that makes more visual sense to me. Dash line, one part. And I would maybe do different colors going horizontally. Yeah, very picky about visuals. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's cleaner, right? At least it's cleaner to me, to my eyes. My 4 eyes, I wear glasses when I'm on the computer and when I drive. What's this one? Oh, that's current price action. Should we do line chart? Yeah, look at that. That's clean, baby. Oh, you miss out some of the action because it's now a line chart, but look at that. It's cleaned everything up. Beautiful. I should publish this. Shall I publish it? Yes, I will. Live. Hex versus ETH. People on TradingView don't like it. Post Hex charts. They just look at it and don't comment or like it. But when I post anything else, I'll get tons of likes, or starting to anyway. But yeah, TradingView people don't like Hex talk. Screw them. Yeah, Hex versus ETH bottomed. Should we just say bottomed? And now outperforming. With an exclamation mark. And what else could I say about Hex versus Ref? Pulse chain? People are, give you a little explanation. People are buying Hex for Pulse network. Oops. I'm typing one-handed. For Ethereum, I'll do a hashtag, is launched to acquire Pulse chain tokens. I'll do a little hashtag on Pulse chain. Pulse chain. Let's get this trending. Pulse chain network tokens for essentially nothing. Oops, I missed a Y. Got a typo. There we go. Hex versus F bottomed and now outperformed, and is now outperforming. Oops. People are buying Hex before Pulse Network, a fork of Ethereum, is launched to acquire Pulse Chain Network token. Potentially, let's not say nothing. That means kind of makes Pulse Chain Network token nothing for no cost. There we go. When you get something, it's a asset, low cost. It's negligible cost. He's got to do something like a Ethereum transaction, which will be a few $100. So yeah, that's going to be the cost, right? The ETH gas fees, right? God damn, Ethereum, Vitalik, Joe Lubin. When you get an asset for negligible, let's word this correctly. So when you get an asset for negligible costs, your ROI is very high. Like mining Doge. Here we go. Yeah, mining Doge during the bear market. Boom. Long it. Category, trend, fundamental, beyond technical. It's beyond technical. And I'll tag ETH, Ethereum, Vitalik, Buterins, Alien. He's nearly 30 years old now. I didn't know that. I thought he was like still in his early 20s. He's an old boy now. He's been around donkey's years. I think he tried to sneak his way into Bitcoin in like 2011, 2012, no, 2013 or something. And he was at a Bitcoin conference, and the OG Bitcoiners like, get the hell out of here, man. You're trying to build your rainbow smart contract stuff on Bitcoin. You're trying to give people a peer-to-peer currency that is based on some sort of gold mining network, right? A hard money. You're trying to make soft money contracts, ideas. It's too ethereal. Your ideas are too ethereal. Get away. So you start writing blogs. You started writing blogs on Bitcoin and got donations in BTC, right? So that's how he made quite a bit of money. And I think his dad supported him as well. His dad's like seems like a real good dude, a smart dude. Vitalik, crypto, DeFi. So I tag consensus, airdrops, fork. There we go. That should do it. Publish. So some of our ideas get hundreds and hundreds of views. Like, yeah, so it's good. That's very good. You want to see my profile? My rep is going up. My follower count is going up. All in 5 weeks work. Yeah, it's a lot of work though. Believe. My ideas. Oh, okay, what am I doing? Can you see the eyeballs? You have to do it over here. So I just posted it. It's only got 2 eyeballs. Hex, the shining city on the hill of crypto, hit nearly 13 sats. 6, 15, 57. So people still sleep or waking up. 68, 23, 92, 505. People like Litecoin. 77, 86, 40, 60, 54, 52, XLM, 363. So it all depends what kind of, what coin you pick. 87. So it's good for me to kind of analyze what the community support of a coin is. We're posting different ideas, right? Yeah, Litecoin seems to Bitcoin Cash. Wow, it must be an Asian thing for Bitcoin Cash, right? Ethereum versus X, 147 eyeballs. LTC, yeah, LTC seems to be king. XRP 319. Wow. Cake, my Iota, some altcoins, rubbish. Luna, Elrond. Wow, who's been pumping Elrond? Eh. Anyway, let's look at StreamYard. One person's watching. Who is that one person? Lurking in the shadows. Lurking in the shadows. I'll throw on the USDC chart. Take a wee break. Boom, boom. Bar chart. And throw on a 15-minute candle. Auto. It's kind of messy, but maybe because it's pulling from V2 only now. Maybe let's go to hit BTC. Be cleaner. Yeah, slightly cleaner. Let's draw hiking dashes. There we go. Wow, 6.5 cents we hit. Wow. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Let's take a wee break. All right, guys, back. Little wee break. Yeah. What's going on? Hex for 5.5 cents. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, I was watching a bit of Captain this morning. Captain RG3 and Brizology. Saw like first half an hour, just waking up, so I had it on. Captain was on fire. Brilliant stuff from Captain. Yeah. How's Bitcoin doing? Back above 50. Good. It's not the end of crypto. Of course, it wasn't going to be the end of crypto. Yeah, it was the fun event, the wipeout. Oh my god, all these traders, new traders. Oh my god, I feel sorry for you guys. Like, crypto is the most manipulated market because they can manipulate it, but it's even hard. Look, with all this FUD, right? They took BTC down from 59 to what? Actually, no, it went down to 45,000. Wow, that was a wipeout, dude. Oh my god, I feel sorry for you guys. If you're on leverage, yeah, I feel sorry for you guys. Let's go on Twitter quickly, and then I'll be ending it. There's nobody watching. Stop screen. Chemo Spaz, what's your hex price prediction end of the year? Dude. So at the start of the year, like January, February, hold on. Share screen, go back to trading view. I was kind of predicting $1 at some point, and then like $10 next year. But so could play out. Chemo Spaz, I like the name. Hex USDC. I'll show you. Here we go. Daily. So on Twitter, I predicted Hex to hit 2 cents in April and 5 cents May. So I've already done that. All right. We've already done that. And these channels go out to the end of the year. 11 cents. So we're creating a new channel, right? Somewhere up here, right? And Richard designed Hex to do 10,000x, right? So 10,000x. Let's do a rocket. In 2.5 years, which is quicker than Ethereum. So Hex is outperforming Ethereum by far. Hex is outperforming Bitcoin after their halvings in 2012 and 2016, and I believe 2020 as well. And Bitcoin didn't trade for the first 500 days. That's all info I got from Wales. Wales only won, but 29 cents is 10,000x. Let's draw a purple rocket. And let's draw horizontal ray. Boom. Let's draw 3 parts, 3 picks. When do we hit it? Chemo Spaz, your guess is good as mine. Do we just launch vertically? Right? Because that's the number everyone kind of knows about now, right? I hope so. Hopefully people will taking the value from the all-time low, January 6th, 0.00029, and times it by 10,000. That's how you get 29 cents. Was it $2.9? No, it's 29 cents, right? Shall we do it quickly? Let's double check. Times 10,000. Yeah, 29 cents. Yeah, I was correct. Seems like at this rate, bro, maybe does that angle, right? Vertical line. June. In a month. I mean, like here it looks like it's vertical. But here, maybe it. Oh boy, how do you draw this? Maybe it does that. Maybe it does something like that. Would you be okay with that, dude? Let's go with that. Delete. Maybe it goes higher. I don't know, bro. All depends on pulse chain. It's a new factor at play. Before pulse chain, you could just kind of draw a channel, draw some Fibonacci's. But this is like I showed you. There's no coins to buy. There's only 118 million coins available on Uniswap. So it all depends on you hexagons. How many you guys sell in? How many coins you sell into this, right? I've got to sell a little bit just to pay for stuff, right? Pay to live, pay for beer. I live off hex basically, right? I've got some stuff I want to do around the house. Not my house, but still fixing up the house that I live in. So when I leave, it'll be better than I entered it. And now we're entering June, July. Lockdowns are coming. Basically UK is opening up in end of June. So people start moving around. People start spending money. The economy should start to wake up a little. Yeah, it's been dead here, man. It's completely dead. Boris is just allowing you to hug other people in like a week or two. And like people following the rules here. People like, okay, no hugs till Boris says it's okay, right? So yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, Kimo, you're welcome, man. Yeah, hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you got in last year or even the beginning of this year. So we'll see, dude. Yeah, what do you reckon? 29 cents in a month? Who knows, bro? Who knows? Maybe I've got a projection of 8 cents on a trend fib. So maybe it does something like that. All right. That kind of makes sense too. Yeah, okay. I'm just going to hop on Twitter just to kind of see what people are saying. Because, or should I do it later? I don't know. I may do that later. I'm kind of getting tired and hungry. So yeah, Hex. I think we're going up again. I think we're launching again. Yeah, 5.9. We're at 6 cents already. So yeah, who knows, bro? Look, there's that squiggly S curve line I drew. Wow, it's kind of tagging it. Whee! So yeah, maybe it gets up to 9-10 cents. Right, 9-10 cents by early next week, something like that. Maybe comes back down, right? Bang. We'll see, because people trade on the weekend, right? And Uniswap to save on gas, so that kind of makes sense. So what's it? Thursday today, Friday, Saturday, right? So maybe we hit 9-10 cents by Saturday. That's 10 cents, yeah. Right? That could be the play. Right? Okay. I'm getting bored of myself. Yeah, take it easy, bro. Moon, baby. We're going to Saturn. All right, bro. I'm going to take a wee break. It's lunchtime. I'm hungry. I've got a few things I need to take care of. Peace, Hexagons. Enjoy the rest of the day.